Long before the skyscrapers and luxury malls, Dubai was a quiet fishing village. No big buildings, just desert, sea, and wooden boats on the creek. In the early 1900s, merchants from India and Persia sailed to Deira. They brought gold to trade for pearl and spices. Even before the UAE was formed, a small gold market had already started. But in 1940s, the gold business started to grow and more Indian and Iran traders began to sell gold here. With no tax on gold, Dubai quickly became a trading hub, known for honest pricing, easy deals, and safe place for gold. From the dusty streets of Deira to the world-famous market, the Gold Souk became the part of Dubai's golden story. Today, Dubai is one of the largest and the most important gold trading hub in the world, and we are touring the Gold Souk. We are at Deira, the old part of Dubai. The Gold Souk is located here. If you're driving, look for Gold Souk parking. You can also get a metro to Al Ras metro station. The souk is just 5 minutes walk from there. There are many entrances, but we are entering from the gate 3, a big wooden arch that welcomes you to the streets of gold. As soon as you enter, you will see shops on both sides, windows packed with golden necklaces, bracelets, rings, and more. In the later part of the video, I will be showing you the world's largest gold ring, certified by the Guinness World Record. There are more than 300 shops there, some tiny, traditional, others big and modern. You will find gold in every shape and style, from classic bangles to modern diamond sets. Every step you take, there is more gold to see. We visited the souk on a Sunday, so the crowd was less, and some of the shops were closed as well. In this shop, we saw some absolutely giant gold jewelry, the biggest gold necklace I've ever seen in my life. This was truly unbelievable. Some necklaces are so big they go all the way down to the hip or even longer. You will see full gold dresses, heavy gold bells and bridal sets weighing several kilos. Many are for Arab weddings, royal families and special gifts. Some are bought as a family investment, some for cultural celebrations. In Gulf countries, showing gold is a part of tradition. It shows wealth, respect and heritage. In Arabic culture, gold is more than beauty. It's a symbol of love, protection and pride. If you are buying gold for an investment, some shops here sell pure gold bars and coins. In that case, you should always ask for 24 karat with certification. It's secure and often a better deal than jewelry. As you walk deep into the souk, the paths get smaller. like a maze. Even though Dubai has grown into a modern city, walking through these narrow paths feel like going back in time. This is old Dubai soul, still alive. Gold is often cheap in Dubai because there is no tax and the price follow the international gold rate. Plus, with so many shops competing, making charges are low, sometimes even zero. But don't be shy to bargain. It's a part of the experience. While you can't change the gold rate, you can negotiate the making charges, especially if you're buying more than one item. And look at this, the Najmat Taiba, the world's largest gold ring, certified by the Guinness World Record. It weighs 64 kilograms, that's like lifting a full-grown adult, and it's worth millions. Many people flock here to see this wonder. This is the new Gold Souk extension. It's more modern, air-conditioned and less crowded. But don't worry, the prices are just like the old souk and the designs are even more stylish. Just a few steps away from the main souk is the Gold Center. It's a quiet, more organized building packed with gold and diamond shops. It's a great spot if you want to shop in peace and away from the busy streets.
Now we're already low.